So muna ma kowa barka da dawowa wannan page namu mai albarka. So today we discuss about what even and odd functions. Even and odd function. So when a function is said to be even and when a function is said to be odd. A wani lokaci da zamu ce wannan function da is even function. Wannan kuma wannan ya is odd function. Besides, that is why we begin with what even function. A function f of x is said to be even or uneven if f of x is equals to minus f of minus x. That is, when any function is even, function din nan f of x ana ce mashi even. Idan ya zama da cewa value din function din at a point in the x take a positive x da kuma in the x take a minus x ɗaya ne to wannan function din sai mu ce is even. Misali, nan da na ce f of x is equal to x square. Don mu tabbatar da even ne ko odd. Misali, idan muka ɗauko f of x is equal to x square. Bari mu ɗauka cewa x is equal to, at any point, let's take at x equals to now 2. At x equals to what? 2. Okay, find it. So we said f of x is equal to, when you define a function. So what is x here? 2. Then what is this? Square. So this is equals to what? 4. So let us find f of minus x. F of minus x. F of minus x is equal to what? F of minus 2. Because x is 2, so f of minus x is f of what? Minus 2. So that will become function the index second minus 2. Then what? Square. Minus 2 square is minus 2 times minus 2, which is still what? 4. So the value of what? Value of this function f, f of 2. Value of what? Value of the function f of x equals to x square. At x equals to 2 is 4. At x equals to minus 2 is still what? 4. So what our function is what? Is even. At a positive 2 is 4, at a negative 2 is also what? 4. So when our function is what? Is said to be even. Even. So normal x in Kadoka. This is f of x is equal to what? X squared. So f of minus x squared. That is the one in the index second minus x. Minus x then square. Minus x times minus x is what? X squared. So they are the same. So this is what? This is an even function. Even function is like it's an even function. We call it even function. So let's test the first one. We say g of x is equal to cos x. Let's see. G of x is equal to what? Cos x. G of x is equal to what? Cos x. So we can test this. So at what? At x equals to what? Let's say 90 degree. At x equals to what? 90 degree. So let's find what? G of 90 is equal to what? Cos 90 degree. So what is 90 degree? What is cos 90 degree? Huh? What is cos 90 degree? So cos 90 degree is what? Cos 90 degree is what? 0. Understand? Cos 90 is what? 0. So what is g of minus 90? So this is what? Cos of minus 90 degree. So cos of minus 90 degree, we still get what? 0. So the value of this function at x equals to 90 and at x equals to minus 90 is all what? 0, which is the same. So definitely cos function is what? Is an even function. It's an even function. So look at this. So odd function, a function f of x is said to be odd or an odd if f of x is equal to minus f of minus x. F of x is equal to minus f of minus x. That is Idan ka ɗauko f of minus x sai ka multiply ɗin shi da minus sannan zai biyo mana zai dawo daidai da f of x. Ga wannan suppose f of x is equal to x. Okay. F of x is equal to what? X cubed. So let's find f of minus x. That is the index take mata na minus x, then power 3. So what is minus x power 3 is minus x times minus x times minus x. Minus x times minus x. Minus times minus plus x times x, x squared times minus x. 9 is positive times minus is what? Minus. X squared times x is what? X cubed, which is not the same as this, which is not equal to f of this. So let's multiply this by minus. Then minus f of minus x is equal to minus times minus this, which is f minus times minus is what? Is plus, so which is equal to what? X cubed. Program f of minus x, say that we can multiply it into the negative. Sannan ta ba mu f of what? F of x. So hence, f of x is equal to minus f of minus x. So therefore, this function is what? Is odd. This function is what? Odd. For practical demonstration, let's test it. Suppose, let's take this at the x equals to what? At the x equals to 3. So f of x is equal to, the function is defined as f of x equals to x power 3. So at x equal to what? 3. That f of 3, let's find f of 3 is, what is x? 3 power what? 3. 3 power 3 is what? 27. So let's find f of minus 3. F of at x equals to minus 3, we have what? Minus 3 power 3. So it's minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3. So minus times minus plus. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times minus 3 is minus 27. Minus 27. So what is minus times f of minus 3? So it's minus times minus 27, which is equal to what? 27. Which is equal to what? F of 3. So kun ga yadda muka multiply the f of minus x, the minus sannan ya dawo daidai f of that. So again, another example. Let's take this. H of t is equal to what? Sine t. H of t is equal to what? Sine t. Let's take any equation and let's take 90. At t equals to what? Let's take 30 now. Anyone you take. Let's test it. At t equals to what? 30 degrees. So h of 30 is equal to sine 30 degrees. What is sine 30 degrees? It's 1 over 2 or 0.5. That is sine 30. So at t equals to minus 35, we have h of minus 30, which is equal to sine minus 30 degrees. So this will give you what? Minus 0.5 or minus half. So when you multiply this by half, minus h of what? Minus 30, this will give you minus times minus 0.5. Minus times minus 0.5, that will give you what? 0.5, which is equal to what? Which is equal to h of 30. And h of minus 30, say that we can multiply this negatives and then down h of what? 30. So, one is even and odd function. Thank you very much.